In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the engine oil life indicator on a Nissan NV2500. You want to sit in your driver's seat, you want to turn your key all the way on, but don't start the vehicle. On your left-hand side of your instrument cluster, there's a knob. You want to turn your knob until it says settings. Then push down the knob, twist the knob until it says engine oil. Push the button, twist the knob to the right until it says 3000. Push the button again. It's saved. Shut the key off, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.